Oh my gosh! Nag-start ng umulan, guys. Slowly release your clutch. How to change it to the second shift. Hey, what's up you guys? It's another day. It's another vlog. Welcome back again to my channel. So, as you can see, I have the same shirt with my previous video because I made a two vlog for today. So for today's vlog, it's all about how to change your gear shift from first gear to second gear. If you already know how to drive, if na-learn nyo na if paano magpa-andar and the basic driving, so now let's have an more advanced lesson. So, how to shift gear while driving. So, let's start! Let's go! Gaya ng sinabi ko guys nung part 1 nito, so ang bread and butter mo lang sa manual transmission if you know how to balance your clutch and your gas. So, yun yung mga kailangan mo para hindi ma-off yung engine or para mapaandar mo yung manual transmission mo. Oh my gosh! Nag-start ng umulan guys. So, bilisan natin konti. So, yun. Ang gagawin mo lang is same lang din sa kung paano ka nagpaandar. So, kung paano mo pinaandar yung sasakyan mo. So, step on your clutch and then first gear. Let's try it first and then slowly release your clutch while stepping on your gas. So, mafe-feel mo na umaandar. Now, how to change it to the second shift? So, all you have to do while umaandar ka, step on your clutch, then change to second gear, pababa, and then continue to release your clutch while stepping on your gas. See? Alright. So guys, that's it. Always remember kung saan nakaposition yung mga numbers ng gear shift mo. Let's say first gear, so push to the left, pinakasagad, and then up. If you want to change it to the second gear, so push it backward. And then if you wanna shift to the third gear, so balik mo konti, yung nasa gitna na siya, and then push it forward. Kasi nasa gitna yung third mo. And then next, if you want to change it to the fourth level, so all you have to do is, of course, step on your clutch kasi manual to. Everything you will do or you will change, always remember guys to step on your clutch. Never forget to step on your clutch. Kasi mata-turn off yung engine mo kapag hindi ka nag-step ng clutch mo. Okay? So, first, step on your clutch, then change gear. Step on your clutch and then change gear. So that's it. So if reverse, same then. Step on your clutch and then reverse. So nandito siya sa lower right. So all you have to do is push to your right and then push backward. Okay? Never ever forget if naka-manual transmission kayo na mag-step ng clutch nyo. So, step on your clutch, change gear, same process, slowly release your clutch while stepping on your gas. And then, if you wanna shift again to the third gear, again, step on your clutch, and then change gear, and then slowly release your clutch while stepping on your gas. Okay, so stay safe on the road guys. I hope you learned something new today. So please hit the like button if you do and subscribe to my channel if you wanna see more videos. So, until next time, stay safe. Bye-bye!